I was stuck. Um, and I couldn't figure out what was wrong because I looked at all my windows and nothing was there. What was happened was when I made the selection, I selected the entire thing. So if I command minus, I had selected the entire um, canvas, and that's not what I wanted. And so that's why I got stuck. And because I was so zoomed in, I couldn't see it. So we're going to go back again, and we're going to be using the quick selection tool because we had used the magic wand earlier. I'm going to select it and make sure I'm in the right place. I'm going to move this generative fill all the way because if I hold down the shift key, it'll start to grow my selection. Then I can go select, similar, and wow, that's really a nice selection. Look at that area right there, that pink area. So that was selected. That's nice. We can work on the fingers, but for right now, that's okay. And it got the t-shirt pretty well, minus the fingers and a little bit of the back. But that's okay, because this is just an example of how to do it. Let's go ahead and color her t-shirt. Going back to the layers panel, selecting the adjustment layer, solid color. Yellow is a good color. Then we have to go to the type, and we're going to choose multiply. And that looks really nice. We can see if I zoom in, I know we used multiply earlier, but let's go ahead and play with these other settings. Linear burn, darken, lighten, color dodge, overlay, vivid. So you can play around with, we know difference is not going to work. It looks awful. Subtract, hue, saturation. Let's just go back to multiply. That worked really well for us. All right. So I'm going to unclick that. The next tool that I want to use, and I'm going to zoom out, command minus sign, is the object selection tool, or quick key W. So I'm going to go ahead and click on her. But it selected the entire person. It won't, I can't unselect. I mean, I could do a lasso tool like we did earlier and do a negative and click out, but that's not really going to work. Let's try the generative fill. So let me bring that over. Select, where did you go, generative fill? Let's bring that back. Window. And the gen fill, where did you go? Well, I'm gonna stop the video now and then we'll work with the generative fill in a minute.